Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. This is Data Science video lesson number 21. In this lesson, let us study some important attributes and methods of data frame. How we studied important attributes and methods of series. In same way, let us study some of the important attributes and methods of data frame. So as usual, I like to share my screen. See, this is data science video lesson number 21. Attributes and methods of data frame. This is what topic. Good. See, here we have one tabular column contains two column name and usages. These are the attributes and methods. These are their usages. See, first one, index. Index is a one attribute. It is used to display only row indexes. Already we studied very well. Data frame contains row indexes as well as column indexes. Attribute index is used to display row indexes. In same way, columns with S. Column attributes displays column indexes. Values, it displays only elements without label. That is without row index, without column index. D types, D type means data type, displays data types of all column. If you are having 4 column, data type of all 4 column will be displayed with the help of D types. Shape, size, empty, already we studied in series, same way. Shape returns number of rows and number of columns in the data frame. Size returns number of elements available in the data frame. See, empty. Empty returns true if data frame is empty. That means if data frame don't contain any element, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Yet and tile also already we studied under series. Same thing. Yet is a method. It is used to display first n rows. If n is not specified, it displays first, that means top 5 rows. Tile of n, it is a method to display last n rows. If n is not given, then tile displays last 5, that is bottommost 5 rows, just like a series. I hope it is clear to all. Let us demonstrate one by one. Attributes and methods. As usual, here I created one dictionary, student dictionary, with 4 key value pair. Okay, Selva, Sariga, Yeril, Bhaskar. This is called keys 10, 20, 30, 40 or value, 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 value. I created one data frame using dictionary with row index, Tamil, English, Maths, Science. That means what? We are creating one data frame with 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns. Already you know very well. The key act as a column index. This Tamil, English, Maths, Science act as a row index. We know very well. So my aim is I want to display only row index or row labels. What we studied? See it here, index. Okay. So student data frame dot index. It displays only row index. Tamil, English, Maths, Science. See it here. In same way, columns. Columns displays only column index. Selva, Sariga, Edil, Bhaskar. I hope it is clear. Similarly, I want to display only element, that is values 10, 100, 101 like this. No need to worry about this row index and the column index. That means values. It displays only element or values or item without row index, without column index. Data type of each and every column. Okay, here we are having 4 columns. 10, 20, 30, 40, all are integer. Integer, integer, integer. All 4 columns have integer data type. See it here, Selva column, integer. Sarika, Yeril, Bhaskar. Shape. Shape means how many rows, how many columns. We are having 4 rows, 4 columns. See it here, 4 rows, 4 columns. How many elements are there? Size. Only 16. 4 column, 4 rows, 16 elements. Empty. So our data frame student DF is not empty. It has 16 elements. That is why it returned false. I hope it is clear to all. Let me demonstrate the same thing in front of you so that it will be easy for you. Good. Same thing here. At first, I like to import pandas. So then I need to create one dictionary. Selva as a key is marks as a value. So 4 subject marks, Tamil, English, Maths, Science, like this. Then another, this is key air mark 100, 99, 98, 97. Again, another key air mark. Then one more key, that is Bhaskar, is mark 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it is clear. I created one dictionary. So now I need to create one data frame from this dictionary. Data frame of student. I hope it is clear. Let me check if everything clear. So I created one dictionary using 4 key value pair. From this dictionary, I created one data frame. So I want to display data frame. I hope Selva, Sarika, Yeril, Bhaskar as a row column index. Here I forgot to add row index. Index equal to Tamil. First column index, sorry, row index. Second row index. Next, science. So I hope everything clear. Let me check. See, 4 rows, 4 column. Sarika, Selva, Sarika, Yeril, Bhaskar as column index. Tamil, English, Maths, Science are row index. Let me insert one more cell. Let me check only row index. 2.5 index, that's all. It will display only row index. See, Tamil, English, Maths, Science. Let me insert one more cell. Underscore df dot columns with yes. It displays only column index. Selva, Sarika, Yeril, Bhaskar. I want to display only element without row index, without column index. df dot values. See it here, only values, no row, no column, labels. D type, df dot D types. That means data types of all column. We are having 4 column. First column, all integer, 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 integer. See it here. Selva integer, Sarika integer, Yeril integer, Bhaskar integer. Okay. I want to see number of the rows, number of the column. That means shape. See it here, 4 by 4. Let me use with that for print. In same way, number of elements dot size. I want to make sure this element is empty, data frame is empty or not. Empty. So actually our data frame contains 16 elements, so it is not empty. So empty attribute returns false. I hope it is clear to all. Let me proceed further. See it here. T, capital T, not small t. Capital T, transpose of data frame. That means what? Row becomes column and column becomes row. Actually, here, Selva, Sariga, Edil, Bhaskar are column index. Tamil, English, Max, Science are row index. This row index I want as a column index. This column index I want to as a row index. That means the whole row will become as a column. That means instead of 10, 20, 30, 40, first column were 10, 100, 100, 1. Like this. Let me check. See it here. 100, 10, 100, 100, 1. So T means transpose of data frame. Row becomes column and column becomes row. Am I right? Similarly, Selva got 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. Marks will not change. The row becomes column, column becomes row. If you want, you can check Selva mark. Selva got 10, 20, 30, 40. Here also, Selva got 10, 20, 30, 40. Row becomes column, column becomes row. Okay. See head. Head means what? Topmost first end row. Here we are giving 2. That means first 2 row will be displayed. That means Tamil English. Similarly, here tile of 2. Last 2 row will be displayed. That is max and science. I hope it is clear to all. Let me check. See here, let me insert one more cell here. Student.df.capital T. See it here. You must understand this T returns new data frame. The new data frame only change, but old data frame student df will not change. Okay. Let me insert one more cell here. I want to see old data frame will not change. We are having old data frame. Here, head of n. That means topmost 5 record will be displayed. Here we are having only 4 records. If we are having 2, first topmost or first 2 rows will be displayed. Let me insert one more cell of 2. It displays bottommost or last 2 row. Max and CC. Max and Science. Tamil and English top 2. Max and Science bottom 2. See it here. Okay. I hope it is clear to all. Now this is the time for recap. Same thing whatever we studied. Index means index is an attribute. It displays only row index. Column is an attribute. It displays only column index. Values displays only element without row index, without column index. D types displays data types of all columns. Shape displays number of rows and number of columns in our data frame. Size displays number of elements in our data frame. Empty returns true if the data frame is empty, otherwise false. T means transpose of data frame, capital T, small t you should not use. Capital T means transpose of data frame. That means row becomes column and column becomes row. Head of n, it is a method which is used to display first n rows. If n is not mentioned, top 5 rows. Tile of n, it is a method to display last n rows. If n is not given, it displays last n rows. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. Today, let me stop here itself. I hope all of you enjoy this lesson. Next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.